Kang, internal medicine. I was born in Harbor City, California, lived there till about 6 years old, and then I moved to Fayetteville, Georgia when my dad, who worked for Western Airlines, got transferred to Delta Airlines. I got to travel with my dad for his work on occasion, and one of the times we got to go to Seattle where the Boeing factory is. Delta was ordering some new Boeings, and they got to fly on a brand new jet all the way, first flight from Seattle to Atlanta. Ultimately, I think that led over to the last year where I decided to pursue a pilot's license of my own. I've flown with my dad for many years, but obviously never myself, so this past year I decided to do training, and I'm in the process of getting my pilot's license. I started my undergrad at Emory University and completed a bachelor's degree in neuroscience, and then went to medical school at St. Matthew's University in Grand Cayman, and then started residency in 2009 at Memorial Hospital here in Savannah for the internal medicine program. As a resident, we got to do a lot of inpatient work and took care of a lot of very sick people here in Savannah, and that's kind of one of the things that led me to primary care, really. Seeing people with these illnesses, whether it's trauma or a natural progression of a chronic illness, wind up in such a dire situation in the ICU, it became a recurring question for me is, wouldn't it be great if they didn't have to come here at all? And so that idea of prevention kind of shifted my focus from hospital medicine and ICU care towards primary care and playing a role in helping to keep people out of the hospital. We love living in Savannah. We lived here for over 10 years now, and being on the water, we have access to so many beautiful waterways. Neither one of us, my wife or I, had been boaters before, but we decided to kind of get into it since we've moved here, and we really love it. I think I've been passionate about music my whole life, but I became interested in guitar around age 15, maybe 14. I played it through college and even into residency, and it was a great way to decompress after hard shifts in the ICU or just on a weekend just to kind of relax and have fun. SouthCoast Health, total wellness for life.